Wait, stay. Mimea, can you please move your lazy ass and okay.
I'm holding your hand!
Ew! I can't walk that fast backwards! Stop!
Come on, I already know there's a cake coming.
I don't care. Happy birthday to you! Bring it here. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Mimea! Happy birthday to you!
Which
I'm
one's
joking.
first?
See your face.
Oh.
Love it.
Oh my god.
Did you know about this cake or no?
What does the cake
Clam?
say?
Clam burger.
Happy birthday, beautiful face.
No, I don't believe it says that. I believe it says,
I believe it says beautiful.
Happy birthday, clam burger.
That's not what it says.
You ruined it! You whore! Okay, make a stupid wish, you stupid girl. Fail. Fail.
Next year's gonna be more.
Birthday, Mimea.
So,
Happy
Is
birthday.
that actually a... Look, smoke alarm's gonna go off.
Yeah, no, I thought I had another bad thing of
P.
things.
How many candles are there?
This one has 28.
Okay, so then my wish will come true.
And this one was supposed to have more, but I couldn't find where I put the other back.
So actually, yeah, one.
That one's an artistic cake.
1/3 of your years.
This might take a while, people.
What's disgusting. My brilliant cake.
You don't do that.
Eric.
I'm thirsty.
Of course you are.
Oh, I am. I need water. Whoa.
So say a few words as the birthday girl. Oh my god. What?
No time. You weren't supposed to do cakes until Janie got here.
Where are the cakes again?
It's not very nice.
Well, she shouldn't have been away.
Shut. Leave my Janie alone.
Doesn't matter. We have Saturday to do more cakes. Let's more cakes, extra fatty. Ooh, make a little chili in the belly. Ooh, chili in the belly. Say something. You're so boring, you stupid birthday girl. How's it feel to be old? Oh, I have my card. Hold on. I have a card for you.
And then show her the picture, and then she'll say stuff.
The picture's on the camera.
Yeah.
What's this? This is my card.
Gia, relax.
It's a
Relax
penis
yourself.
and it's okay.
Are you talking to the camera?
Take the card. Mom, you might want to see this.
That's very inappropriate.
What? I mean, what's inappropriate? Maybe you should read it aloud.
That nose is not mine. And my eyelashes don't look like that either. It looks like you. Oh, it's an inappropriate card, I bet you.
Read it aloud.
Oh, on the day you were born, a thunderous, glorious voice sounded from heaven above and proclaimed to the entire earth below. Yay!
What does it say?
Oh, yay! Oops. No, it says yay. You can't.
Says oops.
Go back to Greece.
Or does it say poos?
Or both.
Clamburger? What about a clamburger?
Clamburger is your vagina. She's laughing and she completely stopped. It's your vagina, your clam burger.
Ew. Now I'm gonna think about clamburger, vagina and stuff, yeah.
Okay, welcome to Our world.
Did
I wanted to get them to write, listen to your clam burger on the cake, but it didn't fit.
Make them laugh when you tell them?
No. The
Was
lady
it a
was a bitch.
old
She didn't, no, it was a young lady, and she's like, I'm like, can you write something on the cake? She's like, no. I'm like, why? She's like, it's a hard cake, you can't really write on it. I'm like, yes you can. They've done it before. She's like, oh. Started writing on it. That's right, bitch, I gotcha!
now cut my cake.
You have to cut the cake.
I cut one slice.
No, you cut all the pieces like every other Camaras has done for the last how many birthday parties we went to.
Oh!
You got all of them?
See, that's not fair, right?
Oh, it's totally fair.
Usually my mommy cuts.
See? I want to go to Aaron's house.
I need plates.
That's good.
That is
It's like raspberry.